Welcome back, guys, to another video. Let's talk about NIO because so far the stock is going up a lot. It's kind of wacky. It's up 4% today. In the past month, it's up 61%, whereas the S&P 500 is literally only up 0.34% after a massive 8% drop. So NIO, yeah, in the past month up 61%. It's doing pretty awesome. Almost feels like $21 mark for NIO is way too cheap. Now it's at 34, it's on the way to 40 and maybe even 50 bucks. And some even dub it the next new Tesla company, especially how NIO not only produces strictly EVs, but they make their EVs more of a luxury brand than anything else, raising up the price, and also their customer service is pretty good. And they also are doing autopilot. They have their own software system. They're doing robo-taxis. All these things are very similar to what Tesla is doing. And NIO stock actually hits all-time highs after doubling EV deliveries to a new monthly high. Yeah, you heard that right. Doubling EV deliveries. On top of that, they just produced a record 5,000 vehicles in October 2020 and delivered those. And NIO stock is getting so bullish to the point that the state of New Jersey Common Pension Fund D just sold a ton of Apple stock and Intel stock. And guess what they did with the money? They bought Zoom stock, and then they spent all the other money and bought a bunch of NIO stock. Yeah, you heard that right. State of New Jersey Common Pension Fund D straight up sold Apple stock, one of the most steady stocks out there, and straight up bought NIO stock. That's how bullish they are. JP Morgan Chase gives it a $40 price target. In my opinion, NIO is now worth $35 billion. It should be worth at least $50 to $70 billion with the amount of growth they're having. I mean, this overall company just delivered a ton of vehicles. It's like 100% year over year. It's pretty insane. On top of that, they're doing autopilot, they're doing software, they're doing a lot of the really techie things that Tesla is doing, but Tesla's market cap is $400 billion. I feel like NIO should deserve some respect. I feel like the stock should be at least $50 or $70 billion. Because they're doing a lot of software and really techie stuff. Other major EVs out there, like Mercedes, Porsche, GM, they're making EV vehicles. They're focusing heavily on the electric car aspect, but they're not focusing heavily on the software aspect. So NIO has a ton of potential if they brand themselves more of a software company, which they're trying their best to do. Thanks for watching, guys, and comment below.